In this video, I will show you how to download and install RedNote on your phone. Go to either the Google or Apple Store. On the search bar, type RedNote. Then, tap on the Install button and wait for the download to finish. Once completed, open the app. Agree to the terms and agreement. RedNote will ask you for permission to send notifications. I choose to disallow it for now. On the login page, tap on the login button. You can either sign up with your phone number or use Facebook/Google. Check the box here. For this example, I will use my Facebook account. Click Continue, and you will be asked to input your gender and age. Tap Next. After that, you will have to select at least 4 interests before you can tap on the Start Exploring button. RedNote will ask for permission to access your contacts and also allow phone calls. I am disallowing both for now, but you can allow it if you want. After this is done, you are officially ready to use the app. To access your profile, tap on the Me icon below here. Then, tap on the Profile button. Over here, you can change your username and user ID. To post on RedNote, you will need to tie your phone number on the app. To do that, tap on the gear icon here. Then, select Account Security. You can bind your phone number and other details here if you want to post regularly. That concludes the tutorial. Thanks for watching!